Hey everybody, welcome into video 2 of combining like terms with algebra tiles. Now we've got our expression here. I'm going to read it out loud so we can all agree what it is. We've got 4x's, we've got 4y squareds, plus another y squared, plus 9 ones, plus 10 ones, plus 1x, and plus 3x's. I like saying the terms back to myself so that way I know what to grab for my stack of algebra tiles when I make the visual. Okay. Now I could always make a mistake when I prepare these ahead of time, so that's why I'm going to uncover this paper and maybe I'll make a mistake, and we'll go through that together to see. If I don't, I feel good about myself. Now you'll notice I said last video we have a little twist here in this video too. The twist is really the y squareds. I haven't seen those for a while, so I forgot that they were larger than the x squared terms. Here's the x squared terms, and they're purple. All right, so those are my positive, and of course on the opposite side is red, so that way we know we don't have a negative y squared, we have positive y squareds. All right, let's double check here. We got 4x's, done. Here are my x terms. 4y squareds, they're stacked here. Everybody, you might not be able to see them, but they are there. There they are. The single y squared term is here. My 9 ones, you see I broke into a stick of 5 with 4, and so 5 plus 4 is 9. Then I've got my 10 ones, which are 5 and 5, and then my single x, and then my 3x's. So I didn't make a mistake. It's always good to double check. Okay, cool. Like I said in the last video, there's really no sense in just kind of like wasting time here. Let's just stack everything that looks the same. Okay, so bring these guys over here, make them all look the same. All right, so what I am going to do is I'm going to start with the, I'm just going to decide to start with the x terms here. But I don't have to. I don't have to start with the x terms, just in terms of organizing them and visually. Now, but I know the end game here, and I know that it's good to write things mathematically. Somebody came up with these rules. I don't know why they exist sometimes, but I do know this, that we do prefer to start with, in this case, the algebra tiles, like the larger shapes first. And especially if it's a square term, like it has a larger power. So in this case, the y squared kind of win the visualization here. So I'm going to start my visualization with the larger pieces here. Okay, you all can count. I've got 4 plus 1, that's 5 y squareds. And my x's, you might have already been counting them, but I like doing doubles, so I'm going to count them like this. So I've got, oh nice, I got 2 rows of 4, so that's 8. So I've got 8, and those are x's, so I've got 8 x's now. And over here, what do I've got? I've got 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15, plus 4 is 19. Okay, 19 ones, right? Okay, I think I'm good to go. Did I double check everything? All right, so then let's just do what we did last time. I'm gonna grab my other pen here just to double check. If we didn't have our algebra tiles, we lost them or something like that, or maybe I ran out of y squared terms. I'm just gonna go through here. I'm gonna put a square around my 4y squared, and my 1y squared, 4 plus 1 is 5. And we said, hey, that's what we're gonna get. Cool. All right, let's go to our x terms. I'll put an underline there, and an underline there, and an underline there. So I've got plus 4x plus 1x and plus 3x. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Boom, got that. And then we got our ones. So plus 9 and plus 10 and 19. Sweet, good to go. All right, check out video 3 coming up.